Welcome back to Home in Harmony. I'm absolutely thrilled to share these game-changing maximalist bathroom hacks that will transform your tiny space into a vibrant oasis. Who says small apartments can't have bold, colorful bathrooms? Today, we're breaking all the rules and proving that maximalism can actually make your bathroom feel larger and more luxurious. These aren't just design tips, they're confidence boosters that'll make you love your space again. If you're ready for some serious bathroom inspiration, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for weekly design magic. Mix and match tile patterns. Let's start with the foundation, your tiles. Mixing patterns is the secret weapon of maximalist design. Try pairing geometric hexagons with classic subway tiles, or combine Moroccan-inspired patterns with modern chevron designs. The key is choosing tiles that share at least one common color to create cohesion. I love using smaller patterns on accent walls and larger patterns on floors to create visual flow. This technique tricks the eye into seeing more depth and dimension, making your bathroom feel surprisingly spacious while adding incredible personality and character. Color drenching. Color drenching is pure maximalist magic. Choose one bold color and use it in various shades throughout your bathroom. Think emerald green walls with sage green vanity and forest green accessories. This technique creates a cocoon-like effect that's both dramatic and surprisingly calming. Paint your ceiling, walls, and even trim in coordinating shades. Add metallic accents in brass or copper to break up the monochrome look. The result, a sophisticated, magazine-worthy bathroom that feels intentional and luxurious, proving that bold color choices can make small spaces feel incredibly impactful. Funky lighting fixtures. Lighting is where you can really let your personality shine. Swap boring builder-grade fixtures for statement pieces that double as art. Consider a colorful pendant light above your vanity, or install LED strip lights behind your mirror in vibrant hues. Vintage-inspired sconces in brass or colored glass add instant character. Don't forget about natural light. If you have a window, frame it with colorful curtains or stained glass film. Layered lighting at different heights creates depth and makes your bathroom feel larger while setting the perfect mood for your daily routines. Gallery wall in the bathroom. Yes, you can absolutely have a gallery wall in your bathroom. Choose pieces with similar color palettes but varying sizes and styles. Mix photography, prints, and small sculptures for visual interest. Use frames in coordinating colors, think gold, brass, and copper together, or go monochromatic with white and cream frames. Ensure your artwork is bathroom appropriate by choosing pieces that can handle humidity. Position your gallery wall at eye level and extend it slightly higher than you think. This draws the eye upward and creates the illusion of height. Patterned shower curtains. Your shower curtain is basically a giant piece of fabric art, so make it count. Choose bold patterns that complement your tile and wall colors. Geometric prints, tropical motifs, or abstract designs can transform your entire bathroom's personality. Hang your curtain closer to the ceiling rather than just above the tub. This simple trick makes your bathroom appear taller. Consider layering a solid liner behind a semi-sheer patterned curtain for depth. Don't be afraid of large-scale patterns. They actually make small spaces feel bigger by creating a focal point. Quirky bathroom art. Bathroom art should make you smile every single day. Think beyond traditional prints and consider sculptural pieces, floating shelves with colorful objects, or even a small plant wall. Vintage advertisements, colorful abstract pieces, or photography that speaks to your soul all work beautifully. Choose pieces that can withstand humidity. Canvas prints, metal art, or properly sealed wood pieces are perfect. Create conversation starters with unexpected elements like vintage perfume bottles, colorful ceramics, or quirky sculptures. Remember, your bathroom should reflect your personality just as much as any other room. Vibrant vanities. Your vanity is the star of your bathroom show. Paint existing vanities in bold, unexpected colors like navy blue, emerald green, or even hot pink. If painting isn't an option, consider peel-and-stick wallpaper or decorative contact paper for a renter-friendly update. Choose hardware in complementary metals. Think brass pulls on a teal vanity or copper handles on a sage green base. Style your vanity top with colorful accessories, beautiful soap dispensers, and plants that thrive in humidity. A vibrant vanity instantly elevates your entire bathroom's style quotient. Layered textiles. Textiles add warmth and personality to hard bathroom surfaces. Layer different textures and patterns through bath mats, towels, and window treatments. Mix terry cloth towels with waffle weave or linen textures in coordinating. Colors don't match everything perfectly. Slight variations in tone create visual interest. Consider a vintage rug that can handle moisture, or layer multiple bath mats for a collected overtime look. Window treatments in bold patterns or colors add softness and privacy while contributing to your maximalist aesthetic. The key is choosing pieces that work together harmoniously. Colorful storage solutions. Storage doesn't have to be boring. Choose baskets, bins, and containers in vibrant colors that complement your palette. Woven baskets in natural materials add texture, while colorful ceramic containers bring personality to install floating shelves in unexpected colors or paint existing shelving to match your scheme. Use beautiful glass jars for cotton balls and bath salts. They're functional and decorative. Consider a ladder shelf for towels and plants, or hang colorful hooks for robes and accessories. Smart, stylish storage keeps clutter at bay while maintaining your maximalist aesthetic. Loud floors. Don't overlook your floors. They're a huge opportunity for impact. Patterned tiles and bold colors or geometric designs can completely transform your space. If permanent changes aren't possible, consider peel-and-stick tiles or even painted stencils over existing flooring. Vintage-inspired patterns like terrazzo or encaustic tiles add instant personality. For renters, try large, colorful bath mats or even outdoor rugs that can handle moisture. The key is choosing patterns that complement rather than compete with your wall treatments. Bold floors ground your design and make everything else feel more intentional. Unique mirrors. Mirrors are functional art pieces that reflect light and make spaces feel larger. Choose mirrors with colorful frames, interesting shapes, or vintage character. A sunburst mirror in gold, a geometric mirror in bright coral, or even multiple small mirrors arranged in a pattern can create stunning focal points. Consider mirrors with integrated lighting or decorative elements. Antique mirrors with patina add character, while modern colored mirrors bring contemporary flair. Position mirrors to reflect your favorite design elements or natural light. The right mirror doesn't just serve a function, it becomes a statement piece. Playful hardware and fixtures. Hardware and fixtures are the jewelry of your bathroom. Swap standard chrome fixtures for pieces in brass, copper, black, or even colored finishes. Choose faucets with personality, maybe a vintage-inspired design, or modern geometric shapes. Cabinet hardware in unusual shapes or colors adds instant character. Don't forget about towel bars, toilet paper holders, and hooks. These small details make a huge impact. Mixed metals, thoughtfully warm tones like brass and copper work beautifully together, while cooler tones like chrome and black create modern contrast. Quality hardware elevates your entire design. Layered scents and lighting. Create a multi-sensory experience with thoughtful scent and lighting layers. Use reed diffusers, candles, or essential oil diffusers in beautiful containers that complement your color scheme. Choose scents that make you feel relaxed and happy, maybe eucalyptus, vanilla, or citrus blends. For lighting, combine overhead fixtures with task lighting around mirrors and ambient lighting through candles or string lights. Dimmer switches let you adjust the mood. Throughout the day, colored light bulbs can add drama for evening baths. The goal is creating an atmosphere that feels like a luxurious retreat. Statement accessories. Accessories are what make your bathroom feel uniquely yours. Choose pieces that spark joy, colorful soap dispensers, vintage perfume bottles, beautiful plants, or sculptural objects. Group items in odd numbers for visual appeal and vary heights and textures for interest. Fresh flowers or plants add life and color, while beautiful towels and bath products can be displayed as decorative elements. Don't overcrowd surfaces, but do include enough personality pieces to make the space feel curated and loved. Remember, every item should either be beautiful, functional, or ideally both. There you have it, 15 incredible ways to make your small apartment bathroom feel vibrant, spacious, and absolutely stunning. Maximalist design isn't about cramming everything into one space. It's about thoughtfully layering colors, patterns, and textures that make you happy. Start with one or two techniques that speak to you, then gradually add more elements as you discover what brings you joy. Remember, your bathroom should be a daily dose of happiness, not just a functional space. Which hack are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you, and subscribe to Home and Harmony for more design magic every week.